In this video, I'll show you how to turn ChatGPT into a powerful music theory and chord progression assistant to help inspire your next song. Let's get started. I begin by establishing a clear persona for the AI, asking it to act as an expert assistant that can generate emotionally effective progressions across any genre. I make sure to specify that I want more than just the chords. I want a breakdown of the key, the Roman numeral analysis, and a detailed explanation of why these sequences work from both a musical and emotional perspective. The AI responds by setting a professional framework, even providing a quick example of a melancholic yet hopeful progression in C major. It explains how starting on the relative minor immediately sets a reflective tone, while landing on the root note provides a sense of clarity and acceptance. This structured approach ensures that every suggestion is backed by solid theory rather than just random notes. Next, I refine my request to something more specific for a project, asking for 5 different progressions tailored for a sad and reflective indie pop song in the key of a minor. I also ask the AI to suggest which part of the song each progression is best suited for, such as a verse, bridge, or chorus. The results are impressive and cover a wide emotional spectrum, ranging from soft nostalgia to deep melancholy. For example, the cinematic build progression uses a major 5 chord to create a powerful sense of tension that feels like a desperate search for resolution. These descriptions help me understand the narrative weight of each chord transition, making it easier to match the music to my lyrics. To wrap things up, I ask ChatGPT to generate a clean, one-page reference sheet covering 5 distinct moods: happy, sad, tense, romantic, and epic. I want 2 progressions for each mood in various keys so I can quickly pull from this list during a production session. The final reference sheet is perfectly organized and ready to use, offering diverse sequences like a tense D minor loop and an epic G major climb. It even includes quick usage tips on adding 7th chords for a more modern texture and using rhythm to change the intensity of the track. With this setup, I now have a versatile creative tool that bridges the gap between technical theory and pure emotional expression. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.